Jigoro mar duondo bura mar Jubilee Moitalelo Lekenta oseo jatelo mar duondo bura mar DCP Rigathi Gachagua kuom dino ne kweth mar linda mwananchi timo campaign magi Olkalau e county ma Nyandarua kane olose county ma Narok kinde nyasi mar rutaya mar japuonj moro. Kenta okoni weche Gachagua go gin mapogo oganda bende okwayo rawere mondo mi oriwre kod duond bura mar Jubilee. Kweth mar linda mwananchi owinjo bed kod campaigns Olkalau kawuono kata kamano owit paranoko.
Tusaidiane kujenga hii kaunti ya Narok. Na mimi husema Narok ni ya kila mtu ambaye ako huko. Wewe ni Mkisii, wewe ni Mjaluo, wewe ni Mmasai, Narok ni yetu. Ni kweli ama si kweli? So tukienda 2027 tafuteni viongozi ambayo wana roho ya utu.
We want a country where our children get a chance to realize their dreams, to live in peace and to prosper. Not a country of one or two individuals. We as Jubilee are saying we want linda mwananchi wakuje tufanye kazi pamoja. Kama mtakikani malingine sisi Jubilee tumewa. We are accepting you and we are welcoming you with open hands. And we don't want as a party any dictatorship. We don't care where the dictatorship comes from. If it comes from part of the opposition or if it comes from the government, we want a free country where democracy reigns. So hii mambo ya kusema ati hatutaki watu fulani mahali ingine, tunataka wengine, tunataka wa Kenya wajumuike pamoja wajenge nchi yao.